What's going on, guys? It's a few days after I filmed the video you guys are about to watch. I just wanted to say, because I don't think I mentioned it anywhere in the video, I see we're coming up on 1,000 subs, and I just want to say thanks. It's really cool, you know. I love seeing people subscribe. It's a cool feeling. So I'll definitely keep making videos. Hopefully you guys like the new car. I know VQs aren't for everybody, but hopefully I can change your mind if you don't like them. I think this one's going to be pretty cool. It'll be a cool build. But yeah, enjoy the video. All right, boys. We're in the new Z. Oh, this thing's sick. Wow, this thing's surprisingly torquey. Completely stock, bone stock. All right, I'll update you guys when I drive a bit or later. Ciao. All right, guys, here she is. It's my new Z. I know this is kind of random. I know I have a few other projects going on right now, but I found a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace and honestly just couldn't say no. It's a 2011 Nissan 370Z. It's Monterey Blue, which is super rare, at least in my area. I don't know, I think they're pretty rare in general, but I haven't seen too many of these. I'll show you in here. Sorry about my coffee cup. I'll take that out. 6-speed manual. It's a touring package, I think. So it has the leather seats, heated. It's cool, like, and they're power seats too, actually. So I'm sure they're heavy, but that's cool. It's got the synchro rev match stuff. The interior is really nice, honestly. So it's got the bigger Akibono brakes. So that's a plus, because I wouldn't have bought this if it didn't have that. Got some condensation in the passenger side headlight, but I'm gonna have that rebuilt anyways. This one's perfect. Bumper could use paint. It's got license plate holes anyways. So yeah, I'm not sure what hood that is. I don't think it's VIS. I think it's something else. Maybe it's like Cybon or something. I haven't really looked, to be honest with you. But it does have the Amuse front bumper, or AMS. I guess it's Amuse front end, which is awesome. Aside from like the chicken wire, like I'm just gonna take that out. Aside from the hood and the bumper, this thing is bone stock. Other than that, it's entirely stock. Stock exhaust, stock intakes. It's not as slow as I thought it would be. I genuinely thought it would be slower. So I'm impressed. So the weird thing about this is that I actually almost bought this car once before. In 2020, so when the first owner sold it, he had it from 2011 to 2020. And in 2020, I found this thing. You know, I think I was fresh out of school at that point. You know, I was getting really nervous about buying a car, but I knew I wanted a car, like another car. And I found this thing, but I ended up backing out of the deal. And honestly, I regretted it ever since. But yeah, man, I saw this thing pop up again. And obviously because of the hood and the bumper, like, I'll throw in pictures right now of the car when I saw it. Like, I actually took those pictures. And I have actually driven this before. Like, I drove it before the guy I bought it off. I drove the car before him, so it was kind of funny to tell him that. He was like a bit surprised to hear that, I think. Talk about some future plans we got going on. So, as you can see, I have a Tomei license plate cover. You can probably guess what box I pulled that out of. I already have a lot of parts on the way for this thing. I either have them at my house or I have them on order. It's going to be a relatively quick to have it like looking the way I want and maybe partially sounding the way I want. It won't take long at all. I bought this car with the intention to boost it. Basically, the plan is to go big single. There's a top mount kit that I found that I really like. Just a light build on the motor, just rods, pistons, has like studs, like, I don't know, like nothing crazy. I know we're looking at a bone stock Z right now, but I'm hoping for this thing to be pretty fun eventually. I'm not shooting for like crazy numbers. Like, I think like a nice like 700-800 wheel, that would do it for me. To be honest, like the C63 doesn't even, like, I don't even think that thing makes like 500 wheel, and I still have a ton of fun in that. So I can't imagine this thing, which weighs like, you know, 300-400 pounds less and 300 wheel more. I think that'd be pretty sick. But as far as the time frame for the build, I don't really know. I'm not in a huge rush. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and get some driving clips for you guys. I mean, it's stock, so it's not gonna be like too crazy. Next video, I'll have the exhaust on it. I know a lot of people don't like the sound of EQs. hopefully I can, you know, be part of the effort to change people's mind. You can make them sound good, and there is a way. You just pretty much don't do test pipes.
All right, let's get it. See if you guys can hear this at all.